What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're gonna be doing a little Rockight install on a 2019, I want to say, Silverado. I mentioned in my Rockight video that I was gonna be installing some red ones on a buddy of mine's truck. So today is the day we're gonna be doing it, and you can see this is pretty freaking nice truck. I want to say I think it's 2019. Texas edition Silverado. I want to say it's a 7.5 inch McGoy's lift, 7 to 9 inch McGoy's lift with 26 by 14 TIS off-road wheels. It's a pretty nice truck, man. And we're gonna get it lit up today. He wants red rock lights, so we're gonna be putting 8 on today. And I'm sure he'll probably come back another day to get more, but we're gonna start with 8.
Producer on the track.
So we got 8 rock lights going in, 1 in each fender well. That's 4, and then we're gonna do 1 on each door on each side. It's gonna make our 8, and shouldn't take us too long. Probably I say an hour and a half, 2 hours from start to finish. Hopefully I have everything. I think I have everything that I'm gonna need. Hope we don't run into any surprises, but should be pretty easy. Truck's clean, so new truck, so it shouldn't be too much to deal with. I think I'm gonna have to go get a fuse tap though for this truck. I gotta see what kind of fuses it takes, but I think I will have to go get a fuse tap. I already have a switch and the lights, so shouldn't be too much. I need to have to go get. We're running our standard on the channel, you already know. These are red though. Let me plug them up so you can see. This is how I test all my lights with the regular drill battery. Quick, simple, easy, and don't have to get a battery, a real battery out or anything. So I just plug it in like that. It's not gonna cooperate with me since I'm on camera, but that's normally how it goes. Like that. And you see we got our red. So I'm gonna go through, test all 8, make sure they all work, and we're gonna get to wiring. Got a little project in the lab today. We're gonna be installing some wheel lights on a Silverado. Got the kit here. Pretty nice kit. Link will be in the description below. But pretty nice. These are the Flow series wheel lights, so they will have the color chasing things, whatever. But we got the first wheel off. Gonna put it on a jack stand soon. This Silverado should be pretty easy on the front. Just gonna attach it or rivet it to the shroud in the front. But the back, we may run into a little issue. We got drums in the back, so we have to figure out how we're gonna do that. Picked up a rivet gun, old trusty Harbor Freight. And also got a little fuse tap. I like running fuse taps instead of running everything to the battery. It's a lot cleaner. So yeah, we're gonna dive right into it. It's my little cousin's truck. Follow him on Instagram if y'all want. But yeah, we about to dive into it. And hopefully knock this out pretty quick. Alright guys, I'm not gonna ramble on about installing these. It's real simple. Once you figure out how to do one, you can do all of them. So basically on these GM trucks, they have like a little slot on the back side. So I start with that one. I slide my tab in that slot, and then I drill my first hole. This truck, it has a pretty good clearance between the brake rotor and the shield, so I'm not worried about any clearance. And these rivets will help out with clearance, and instead of using self tappers. So I'll basically start with that one, and then I'll go around, mark my next hole as far over as possible away from that one. So I have 2 points of contact on this side and on that side, and then my third one I'll put right here or wherever I can get it on there. But what you want to do is make sure you're gonna have enough room for your brake rotor and caliper to sit inside of here. These are 15.5 inch rings, so they probably fit with like an inch of room between here and the rotor, so that'll work. Try to get your ring as centered around the hub as possible. It's not gonna be perfect, but try to get it as, you know, centered as possible. And I have my wires at the top, so I can just run them straight all across on the brake line, and I'll run it back and wherever to the controller. You can see the controller drops down right there. I'll show you guys how I ran that after this, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting this one up together, and so we can finish this side.
This is my crazy producer on the track.
Well, we got it about wrapped up. We got all 3 of these wheels on. It's the last one to go on. Before I put it on, I wanted to show you guys how we mounted it on the back. If anyone else is trying to do this on drum brakes, what I did was drill a hole through here, small hole, and use the smallest rivet I had. It was about that long, and you can see, hopefully you guys can see, right there, the rivet right there, and it leaves just enough space for the drum brake to slide or rotate without hitting it. Gotta line it back up. It's off the line a little bit. So yeah, like I was saying, doing it that way, it leaves just enough space for your drums to still rotate without hitting the rivets. So it's really secure. I didn't see any other ways that people could have done it on YouTube, so I wanted to film this so you guys can see. But it's real easy. We took his back blocks out as well, so that's why this is loose. But as you can see, it looks pretty good. So everything's wired up. About to throw this last wheel back on, and that'll be a wrap. So catch me when we turn everything on. So this is exactly how I ran it. I tried to keep the box inside the truck. It's supposed to be waterproof, but I never trust these little Bluetooth boxes being outside, so I always try to keep it inside if I can. So I put it right there in front of the driver's seat, and then ran all the wires down through this grommet right there. Tuck all that in nice. Then I ran it up, grounded it here, and I used a fuse tap right there. You can see, I don't know why it's not focusing. It keeps coming out of focus, but see my fuse tap there. That's where we're pulling power and going straight to our box. So I like to use fuse tops. It's a lot cleaner. You don't have wires and stuff running to the battery. So that's my preferred way to do it. I do run stuff to the battery sometimes, but if I can use a fuse top, I'd rather use a fuse top. That's just my preference. But you guys, I don't know if you can see, but they're on, and not gonna be able to see much at night. I mean during the day, but so I'm gonna have to probably get a video of it at night. But you can see them. They're doing their thing. That one as well. I don't know if you can see, but all in all, it's not a bad kit. One complaint about the kit, I don't like pre-wired stuff. It's nice, but at the same time, you know the lengths of the wires aren't adjustable. They're set to like one length. So if you have, say, we put it on this 1500, but say we put on the 250, it wouldn't reach all the fender wells or wheels on my truck. So it's like, and that's the biggest kit that that company had. So just say I was to put it on that truck, they wouldn't reach. So I don't like pre-wired stuff. That's why I like wiring everything myself, so I can, you know, make the wires long as I need them to be, or as short as I need them to be. So, but all in all, it's not a bad kit. Probably get some clips of it at night, and that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I got another truck to do right after this one, so I'll probably be making another video with that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry I didn't film a lot. A lot of it is self-explanatory, and I don't want to bore you guys with a lot of it. So yeah, so stay tuned for, I'm gonna do a little B-roll of them on at night. But that's gonna be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a nice day.